So 3b, given that sin theta plus alpha is equals to root 3 cos theta minus alpha, where cos theta cos alpha is different from 0, you've been told to show that tan theta is equals to, in the numerator, root 3 minus tan alpha, in the denominator 1 minus root 3 tan alpha. Now, this is a case of compound angles, isn't it? So in compound angles, what you need to know is that tan theta is sin theta over cos theta, isn't it? Meaning for us to get tan theta, we must divide all through by cos theta, because you know very well that tan theta is equals to sin theta over cos theta. And from this problem, we are going to get both sin theta and cos theta, isn't it? Meaning after we found both sin theta and cos theta here, we divide both sides of the equation by cos theta to get tan theta. Are you seeing that? And you are done. Just like that. Very, very simple. So you start from this side of the equation, you have sin theta plus alpha. What is sin theta plus alpha? That's a sine sum angle formula, isn't it? Sin theta plus alpha is sin theta sin alpha, sin theta cos alpha plus sin alpha cos theta. You've expanded this side of the equation, right? To be equals to root 3 into, then we expand cos theta minus alpha, isn't it? That is a cosine difference angle formula, isn't it? So cos theta minus alpha is going to be cos theta cos alpha. When A is minus, it becomes plus, isn't it? Sin theta sin alpha. So you've expanded both sine sum angle formula and cosine difference angle formula. Sin theta plus alpha is a sine sum angle formula, which gives you this, isn't it? Cos theta minus alpha is a cosine difference angle formula, which gives you that, isn't it? Are we together? Remember, when you are expanding sin, when A is plus, the other side is also plus, but cos interchange, isn't it? When A is minus, the other side is plus. The case of cosine is different with the case of sine. Are we together there? So from there, we want tan theta. So it means for us to get tan theta, tan is sin theta over cos theta, isn't it? Meaning we divide both sides of the equation by cos theta. At the same time, we want tan alpha. What is tan alpha? It is sin alpha over cos alpha. So for us to get tan theta and tan alpha, see, we divide by cos theta cos alpha. Are we together? So we divide by cos theta cos alpha. That is why they were telling you cos theta cos alpha is different from 0. Because when you are dividing by 0, you see that is now infinity. You see that? Are we together? So you divide both sides of the equation by cos theta cos alpha. Can you divide both sides of the equation by cos theta cos alpha? Cos theta cos alpha, cos theta cos alpha. You divide both sides of the equation. Remember, I'm putting this because it is a common denominator, isn't it? A common denominator. When you have a plus b over c, that is a over c plus b over c. So that is a common denominator. So from here, let us start. If you work that out, you have cos alpha goes with, cancels with cos alpha, isn't it? Then here, cos theta cancels with cos theta, isn't it? Then here we have cos theta cos alpha goes with cos theta cos alpha. Then here, so let us now start simplifying. Sin theta over cos theta is tan theta, isn't it? Then plus sin alpha over cos alpha is tan alpha, isn't it? To be equals to, we have root 3 inside the bracket. This over this is 1. Then sin theta over cos theta is, it is plus. Sin theta over cos theta is tan. Then sin alpha over cos alpha is tan. So that is tan theta times tan alpha, isn't it? Tan theta tan. Are we together? Then you open this bracket. You open that bracket and you collect the like terms. Tan theta must be on this side of the equation, isn't it? So this side we have tan theta collect. Meaning tan theta tan alpha coming this side, it becomes minus, isn't it? When you take root 3 inside the bracket, root 3 times 1 is root 3, then root 3 times that you get root 3. So you've taken root 3 inside the bracket, isn't it? So can you now collect terms with tan theta? Here we have tan theta, so plus, remember this bracket is no longer there, plus root 3 tan theta tan alpha coming this side, it becomes minus root 3 tan theta tan alpha. Then the other side will remain with root 3, isn't it? Then plus tan alpha going the other side of the equation, you have minus tan alpha. So you can see tan theta is a common factor, isn't it? So when you factorize out tan theta, what do we have there? 1 minus. When you factorize tan theta, yes, you remain with 1. When you remove tan theta, yes, you remain with root 3 tan alpha. You remain with root 3 tan alpha to be equals to root 3 minus tan. So we want tan theta. For us to get tan theta, see, we divide both sides by the coefficient of tan theta. Meaning we divide both sides by 1 minus root 3 tan alpha. Divide both sides by 1 minus root 3 tan alpha. So this cancels out with that. You remain with the tan theta, isn't it? So you remain with tan theta is equals to root 3 minus tan alpha over 1 minus root 3 tan alpha. So you found tan theta. Then you see, have you found what they were looking for? Are you seeing that? Very simple, and you pay all the marks very fast, okay? Simple.